ABML morning update. Tobacco stocks sink. Continued FPI outflow offset early buying momentum. Nifty ends first session of New Year flat. Global markets. US equity markets remain closed on Thursday in observance of the New Year holiday. All major exchanges, including the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq, were shut for the day, along with bond and derivatives markets across the country. Despite a weak finish to the month, the S&P 500 is set for its 8th consecutive monthly gain, the longest streak in nearly 8 years. This marks a rare achievement, occurring only 7 times since 1965. The index has also delivered strong annual returns, rising 24% in 2023, 23% in 2024, and 16% in 2025. These gains total nearly 80% over 3 years, the second best 3-year run since 2000. Looking ahead, the S&P 500 has not posted 4 straight years of gains since 2003 to 2007. European markets remained closed on the 1st of January. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a flattish note on January 1st. At close, the Sensex was down 0.04% at 85,189, and the Nifty was up 0.06% at 26,147. GIFT Nifty trades higher by 26 points at 26,321, signaling a positive start to the trading session. GST collections strengthened in December, with gross revenues rising 6.1% year-on-year to 1.74 lakh crore rupees, the fastest growth in 3 months, signaling a modest revival in tax momentum after a softer November. The improvement followed GST rate rationalization in September, but the pickup was driven largely by imports rather than domestic activity. After adjusting for refunds, net GST revenue grew a subdued 2.2% to 1.46 lakh crore rupees. Domestic GST collections rose just 1.2%, while GST from imports surged nearly 20%, highlighting the growing role of trade-linked taxes amid steady import demand. Major industrial states such as Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu remain the largest contributors. Overall, the data points to a steadily expanding economy, supported by imports and ongoing formalization, though broad-based domestic demand remains muted. Focus for the day. India PMI, UK PMI, key corporate developments or policy actions. BEL secured fresh defense and electronics orders worth 569 crore rupees, spanning communication systems, medical electronics, and fire detection solutions, strengthening order book visibility and supporting execution momentum into fiscal year 2026. Epigrill received an income tax demand order of 52.5 crore rupees from the Vadodara IT department for assessment year 2022 to 2023. Hyundai Motor strengthened senior leadership with Dong Hui Park appointed COO from January 1, 2026, and Hyun Sup Lee taking charge as head of corporate planning, reinforcing execution strength and long-term growth strategy. KEC International secured fresh orders worth 1,050 crore rupees across civil, T&D, and cables, while entering the wind segment with its maiden 100-plus megawatt BOP project, lifting FY26 growth visibility. Sapphire Foods will merge into Devyani International effective April 1st, with Sapphire shareholders receiving 177 Devyani shares for every 100 Sapphire shares. The deal values both companies at parity and includes an 18.5% secondary stake sale by Sapphire Foods Mauritius to the Devyani promoter. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 32.68 billion rupees, while DII bought for 15.25 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.